You gotta go over there, Lily.
Good girl.
Alright.
Okay. I need one too.
I need tissue. I need tissue. Tissue, tissue. You guys look so nice. Everyone looks so nice. It's awesome. Tessa, do you need a tissue?
No.
Are you feeling left out of this or no? This is like a tissue gang. This is like the tissue club.
Tissue club. I still need it.
We all grab our tissues and we hang out in the tissue club. In the tissue clubhouse.
Just kidding. I don't need one.
No, you don't. Alright, maybe the big two can shift over to accommodate her.
Steady.
Gonna let Lily get in the middle?
Oh, that would be fun.
I want to be in the middle.
Yes.
She wants to sit
Right.
next to me, maybe. I want
sit
to
here,
Here. Want to sit next to me?
Well, it looks
looks
really
so
good with
nice.
red, green,
It
red.
does.
Red, green, red. Smile.
You guys
Cheese.
look so
Cheese.
cute.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Look at us, Lily. Cheese. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Now she's off.
Oh, that was
She's not good at pictures. She doesn't do well at pictures.
She
No.
doesn't. She's doing pretty good.
She's pretty good. Can you sit down next to Kevin? Kevin.
Not Kevin.
I know.
He's
Kevin.
Kevin. Uh-oh.
Oh, more tissue.
Oh, my chapstick.
Oh, you found a chapstick. Oh.
Oh, no. Come on, one more picture.
Yeah, that was a good stretch. You got your best little
And now,
stretch
as
there.
I went in a little, focused in a little bit, which looks good. Okay.
No. Wait for me.
All right.
You want to sit right here?
Yeah, sit there.
Sit down.
You want a fishy?
Yeah. Yeah. You want more?
Yeah.
Play them more to the picture, okay? Play them. You too. See this?
Smile, Tessa. Cute.
Mhm.
See this?
Hi, Lily.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're doing good on that, huh?
Mommy? No. No.
Ooh.
But no throwing. No throwing. No. No throw. Don't throw them. No throw. No throw. No throw. No throw. No throw.
Kev.
No throw.
Kevin.
No
What?
throw.
Oh, my. Kev, turn around.
Kev, you turn.
Turn around. Yeah. Tessa. Tessa.
Tessa got to look. Cheese.
Lily. Oh, that's cute.
Cheese.
Kev, you're such a poser.
The video is quite funny of this all.
Now can I eat?
Okay.
That was good.
Thank you.
That was
Now
good.
can I eat?
Yes.
Yay.
Of course.
All right.
Can you bring it over? Big up.
Bagel.
I can bring it over.